Let us spill this already spilled juice and jump into some telenovela stories. Guys, so Umkhokha the Curse. We've all been wondering why the picture is now Khulekani and Barkman Spamandla, considering that Khulekani is a Christian and Uspamandla who holy, right? Mzalwan. With that said, Ujabulani McDonald's, that I told you that I follow, wrote hashtag Umkhokha the Curse. Notice how the season 2 poster has Khulekani and Spamandla both wearing the Umkhululi attire. Khulekani's sudden discovery of his healing powers will be the beginning of turmoil in the Mthembu church. Brothers will be gunning for the same position, meaning that there's going to be division and chaos within the Mthembu family and the church. Right. Also, won't be surprised if Mamzobe's hunger for power makes her use Khulekani to divide and conquer them Timbus. There's one big clue on the poster that feels like it might be an indication of a major death, or it might mean something else. This season has more interesting storylines regarding the Mthembu and the church. So I think Uguti McDonald is talking about this picture, right? Where there is three women, Ubatubanlo, Umanzimande, Upagathwayo, and Mabusi on the other side, right? And then it is divided. On the other side, it's Khulekani, it's Pamandla, it's Mamzobe. And all of them are looking inside this deep hole that looks like a tomb. So yeah, what do you think from this? Will the two boys fight, or will Batwanlo Uspamandla be the sweetheart that we know, give Ukhulekani to run and stay behind and wait for Umvelase to fight for him? Because we know Uguti culturally and by the power that he was given by Umvelase, Uzamkolo is the one that is supposed to be the real Mkhululi. Yeah, what do you think? Like, share, and please subscribe.